Don't be scared of tonight yet. If the answer hasn't come, maybe what feels like it's missing is just on its way here. Your hands are shaking a little, like dew on the edge of grass. But silence doesn't mean you were left here on your own. Take it slow, okay, love. Let your mind drift loose. What's stuck behind your eyes will start to fade. Turn the cards one by one. Are you ready yet? No need to rush the meaning. The wound will ease up on its own. Turn the cards one by one. I'm still right here. No matter how dark the sky gets, better days still